Hey, so I left my recording equipment at school, but I do want to try to talk to you about cutting this paper. One thing, if you have an X-Acto knife, this might be something that you want to use to cut some of these middle spaces, but probably a lot of you don't have an X-Acto knife, and that's not a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this part of the nose just with scissors, and I'm just going to show you how it works. So I'm actually going to cut through the paper, and it might feel a little bit scary or a little bit like, ooh, what? I'm going to mess up my design. But in fact, it doesn't have to be that way. When you're cutting this shape out, keep in mind that your background is going to, excuse me, Beans came to say hello. When your background is going to stay in one piece. And so, okay, she's just going to help us. And what I'm trying to say, or, as I'm cutting it, 1 second, let me finish. Hey, no. Okay, so even though I have cut through this background piece, what I can do is basically when you're going to glue this back onto your background paper, you can glue it so that this is in touch. You don't actually see like where you made the cut. So just be aware of that it is okay to cut through this background piece with your scissors, and you'll be able to conserve this design. And just keep in mind, I would suggest doing this with just one cut, because if you have two cuts, I think it can be easy to just forget about something and throw it away. So that would be my piece of advice. Just try to cut pieces out, just like cutting through the background with just one cut.